This is Inside Indiana Business Radio for the morning of Monday, March 4th, 2024. I'm Alex Brown. While Indiana continues to battle the digital divide, there are significant signs of progress. State and federal funds totaling nearly $1.5 billion are being deployed to help connect the estimated 150,000 unserved or underserved Hoosier addresses to access to broadband. Purdue University's Robert Gallardo says the state is at a tipping point.
We're hoping that we continue to move the needle. You're never going to be at 100%, but I think we have a very good opportunity to get as close as we can to that 100% access-wise, but also the quality. We have a very unique opportunity to really increase the quality of the service that's available now.
Additionally, AT&T has inked 12 partnerships around the state to expand fiber broadband, the largest being a nearly $40 million project in Vanderburgh County that was completed in November. Valparaiso-based Community Health Center HealthLink will mark the grand opening of its new facility in Michigan City today. The $15 million, 39,000 square foot clinic includes 33 medical exam rooms, 2 procedure rooms, and 12 dental rooms. The facility, located near the city's Ivy Tech Community College campus, is 3 times larger than the organization's previous clinic. The Ball State University Miller College of Business on Friday announced Rob Matthews as the new executive director of the university's Entrepreneurship Center. Matthews is also the executive director of the Entrepreneurial Leadership Institute and an assistant teaching professor of management and leadership. He will continue as the director of both centers. From the number one source for Indiana business news, this is Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Southwest Indiana, your bold future starts here. IBJ Media, Inside Indiana Business, and the IEDC invite you to the 3rd annual Engage Southwest Indiana, April 12th in Evansville, presented by CareSource, Indiana University, and Old National Bank. Connect with fellow business and community leaders, discover programs aligned to your region's unique needs, and walk away with bold new thinking for Southwest Indiana's future growth. RSVP now at ibj.com/engage.
An Indianapolis-based real estate tech startup that had its public launch last month aims to add local flavor to the experience of online house hunting. IIB's Kate Sharon has more.
Dwellane offers users a website where they can both browse local homes for sale and learn about the neighborhoods in which those homes are located. Longtime FC Tucker realtor Sam Hawkins, who is Dwellane's founder and CEO, said he saw an opportunity to build a locally focused home search site that could offer an alternative to sites like Zillow and Redfin. Users can browse online home listings, but they also can browse neighborhoods to get a sense of what various parts of town have to offer. For instance, a user who clicks on the Broad Ripple portion of the website can see home listings in the Indy neighborhood. They can also see photos and descriptions of selected Broad Ripple amenities, such as the Monon Trail, the Broad Ripple Dog Park, and numerous shops and restaurants. The startup is still adding to its site, and some neighborhood profiles contain more information than others. Hawkins said the initial focus is on neighborhoods that fit one or the other of the 2 criteria: homes in the price range of $400,000 to $800,000, or areas that see a large volume of home sales. The goal, Hawkins said, is to give users information not only about homes for sale, but to help them get a sense of the Indianapolis area's distinct neighborhoods, which he said is something people can't really find on the behemoth home search sites. Kate Sharon, Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Munster-based Community Healthcare System last week announced a rebranding. Beginning July 1st, the health system will be known as Powers Health, which it says marks a strategic evolution and unites the brand under one clear and distinct identity. Powers Health said in a news release the new name is not reflective of a merger or acquisition, but a deliberate step toward presenting the organization as an integrated system of care. The new name is in honor of Donald S. Powers, who is one of 5 land developers to donate land and funding to build the original community hospital. Powers Health said with numerous healthcare systems also using community in their names, including Community Health Network in Indianapolis, the rebranding establishes its own unique identity. Purdue University's Dan Hasler is this week's guest on the Business and Beyond podcast with Gary Dick, presented by PNC, a weekly conversation with high-profile Hoosiers in business, sports, and entertainment, and beyond. Available now from your favorite podcast provider. I'm Alex Brown for Inside Indiana Business Radio on Demand.